got an afro. The only thing left is 80s baby. This Fenugreek moisturizing leave-in conditioning cream is so good for your hair. It keeps your hair moisturized for days, as well as giving you extreme hair growth. So if this is something you're interested in learning how to make yourself at home, then please keep on watching. Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna start this Fenugreek leave-in conditioning cream. So I'm gonna be adding 2 tablespoons of fenugreek into my bowl. Now you can use the fenugreek seeds, but my fenugreek already came blended down. Fenugreek is amazing for hair loss. It also helps with stimulating blood circulation and blood flow to your scalp while promoting hair growth and hydrating your hair. Now to that, I'm going to be adding in my rosemary leaves. Rosemary leaves are very good in increasing scalp circulation. It's also amazing for darkening any gray hairs you might have, so you can see it as a mild, natural bleaching agent for your hair. Now I'm gonna add in 1 cup of hot water. Now just make sure you stir everything together, and we're gonna cover our mix and leave it covered for about 2 hours. Now after 2 hours, just strain out the water from the mixture. Now I'm just going to use my wig cap to strain out the liquid from our fenugreek and rosemary mixture. I'm going to save some of this fenugreek gel, which you can use on your hair, or you can use it as a pre-poo conditioning treatment. And we are now going to get to the part where we create the conditioning cream. Now I'm just adding 5 tablespoons of our fenugreek gel into this glass beaker. And I'm going to be adding in 4 tablespoons of our 100% aloe vera gel. Aloe vera has many active ingredients and minerals that can help strengthen your hair, as well as give you maximum hair growth. To that, I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon of glycerin. Now glycerin is really good for your hair, as it is a humectant, which helps to retain moisture to dry hair and improves the scalp layer by hydrating it. And this also helps in promoting hair growth. Give it all a mix. Now it's time for our oil phase. I'm going to be starting by adding in our emulsifier. So emulsifiers help to stabilize and balance any products that has oil and water in it. And it basically prevents the oil from separating from the water. Next, I'm going to be adding in our jojoba oil. Jojoba oil is really good for the hair, as the vitamins and minerals found in this oil provides nourishment to the hair, thereby promoting hair thickness and maximum hair growth. Next, I'm going to be adding in our shea butter. Now, shea butter is really moisturizing for the hair and scalp. Shea butter helps to provide essential nutrients that help to treat scalp conditions and improve the overall health of your hair. Now I'm also going to be using in our avocado butter for this recipe. The fatty goodness in avocado butter really helps to provide nourishing properties for the hair and scalp. It is rich in vitamin E, which is so important for a healthy scalp free from inflammation and infection. And then I'm going to be using a double boiler method to heat up and melt down our oil phase and our water phase. You leave it in the hot water for a few minutes and you can just see it slowly starting to melt down. After both of them are completely heated up and melted down, you need to combine the water phase into the oil phase. Now, as soon as you combine it, you need to start mixing it immediately. You need to just start mixing and stirring it in. Now you need to remove the beaker from the pot and you need to use your stick or immersion blender and start blending it in. And just give it a whiz and blend it in. Now, as soon as I put my blender in, it starts to just thicken up, but depending on the consistency of yours, you just need to be quite patient and just keep blending it down until you get to the desired thick consistency. I'm going to be adding in approximately 2 tablespoons of castor oil to our Fenugreek conditioning cream, and to that I'm going to be adding in a few drops of rosemary essential oil. Next, I'm going to be adding in my preservative. Now, this step is really important to ensure that your conditioning cream has got a good shelf life. So it's important to add in a natural based preservative. I'm just going to blend it down again to ensure it is nice, thick and creamy. And then we're going to transfer it into a clean container. Make sure your container has been cleaned and sterilized, and it's got a tight lid to make sure it stays put. Look how creamy that is. It just basically goes right into your skin. I'm just showing you a demo on my hand, and I'm going to be taking you to the bathroom as I show you how to apply this amazing Fenugreek conditioning cream to your hair. So guys, this is the Fenugreek butter. It is so soft, it's got an amazing texture. Look at that. That is just absolutely beautiful. So I'm just going to put my hair into sections. Look how grown my hair is. If you want to see how my hair has transformed, I'm going to leave a video up here where you see how short my hair was and how it is amazingly grown in just a few weeks. So I'm going to put my hair in different sections and just put this Fenugreek butter all over. Now, Fenugreek is so good for the hair. It strengthens the hair follicles and it definitely gives you a more fuller hair. It definitely gives you bouncier hair. So I put my hair in sections and just put this Fenugreek. I love the way it absorbs into the hair. So that's it here. I'm just going to rub it and just look at it just basically absorbs into your hair. Now, you can use this twice a week or anytime you need to. It's just so lovely. Totally absorbed. Your hair will stay moisturized for days. Look at that. So I'm just going to put it everywhere. You know, I had really bad hair loss in on my hairline from pregnancy. Now the cream really helps to get your edges to grow as well. So I'm just going to put my hair in a protective style. Always try to give your hair a massage everywhere before I plait the hair. So that's it really. I've put it all over my hair and I've just put my hair in cornrows. One other tip is try not to disturb your hair too much. So I do my hair wash once in 2 weeks, and in between I just make sure I get it moisturized and try not to comb it every day, because again that would start cutting out your hair. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, you know what to do. Don't forget to give it a like and definitely consider subscribing. So until I come your way again, it's Efe going to the kitchen to cook. Take care.